It's time to set your money goals together. My tip for you is to designate a regular time to talk about money as a family. It could be part of a monthly ritual. Subs and savings, anyone? Now that sounds like a great first Sunday of the month to me. So if you're part of the sandwich generation, meaning you have aging parents and kids depending on you, you could have a multi-generational meeting, or you could check in with your kids and parents separately. Your decision may be based on how close your family finances are tied, if everyone's living under the same roof, and how old your kids are. Do what makes sense for you and your family, but make it fun and make sure your family's shared money values are out and visible during the meeting so you can easily refer to them. Now, whoever's a part of your family meeting, goals are a great place to start. Start with short-term goals. Let's look at some examples based on values. If your family values security, you may be looking to build an emergency fund or pay off debt. Now on to long-term goals. What are you trying to do as a family in the future? If your family values adventure, maybe there's a big trip on your savings wish list. As a manager of household finances, it's your job to set up a budget that will help support these goals. If you plan with a partner, you'll work together to allocate a monthly budget. Now, these goals can help guide your day-to-day decisions and money conversations, all rooted in those shared family values. You may be thinking, but Chris, I can't plan for everything. That's absolutely true, and money decisions come up all the time when you have a family. Can I go on vacation with my friend's family? Should we replace the water heater? Our favorite charity is doing a fundraiser. Should we donate? If the answers can wait until the next household meeting, add it to your list of decisions to talk about as a family. Of course, some decisions can't wait, and that's when you can lean in on those shared money values and goals as your guiding principles. Once you set your goals as a family, what should your regular check-ins look like? First, make any financial decisions that come up and need to be made. Then, check in on your goals. What progress has been made? Celebrate it. Aligning your shared money values as a household is all about practicing the money habits that support your shared goals, communicating honestly and openly, and checking in regularly. Now, you're not going to get it perfect the first time, but just keep practicing.